As a child, I didn't collect baseball cards, I collected airplane cards. And they were pictures of airplanes with statistics on it, and it had a list of the engine and where it was made, what year it was made, how many were made. That's what I collected instead of baseball cards. Going to the Pittsburgh Institute of Aeronautics was just something that fell into place. I randomly decided it's time to pursue what I've always dreamed about and go into a career field that I've really wanted to go into. And I just jumped on Google and searched for an aviation mechanic school. PIA came up, I went and looked at the campus, and I really felt like that's where I belonged, and I really believe in the program here. I decided to do both programs because I wanted the full effect of the aviation industry. Everything revolves around each other. So with avionics, you got to have an airplane to have avionics, and I wanted that understanding for both programs. Working in aviation, everything has to be certified in what you do. So there's a lot of responsibility in the work that you do, because what happens with an airplane if it breaks down, you can't pull over on a cloud and just stop for a moment. It's going to come out of the sky. Where a car, if it breaks down, you can pull over the side of the road or it just stops. So there's a lot of responsibility in yourself to do the right thing. I'm proud to call myself a PIA graduate because for me, this is the best school where I could have gotten my education. The school has a 90-year running stance now, and they have all these years of experience on how to train people to be the best mechanic they can be.